up, my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back at you with another video. And in this video, I have, you can't see it probably, but a Martha and Marley Spoon unboxing. So I know y'all thinking like, she's already subscribed to HelloFresh. Why is she subscribed to another meal service? Well, just like HelloFresh sent me some gifts to other people where I can send other people a free box, my massage therapist, yes, I have a massage therapist. Get you one if you don't have one in your life. Anyway, she gifted me a free box. So let's open this bad baby up. So as you can see, that's this stuff right here looks like the foam insulation that people put inside the walls. Rosemary basted steak with cheesy garlic potatoes. So already the bag is a little bigger than the HelloFresh bag. And I did meals, 2 meals, 3 times a week, so it's 6 meals. So we have rosemary, baby spinach, and big potato, a tomato, and 2 red radishes. So this is the Japanese barbecue salmon with stir-fried veggies and rice. A red bell pepper, cilantro. Creative lady hates cilantro. Jasmine rice, sugar snap peas, yakiniku sauce, and toasty sesame seeds. Beef tacos with cilantro slaw and tomato salad. And I think this is the one I'm going to cook tonight. Flour tortillas, cilantro. Oh, a whole basket of tomatoes. We're not tomato fans in this house. So taco seasoning, a lime, and a purple, red onion, whatever you want to call them. So a clove of garlic. I don't know what this goes. Is this a clove? No, because this is a bundle. I don't know what this goes to. And then we have the ice packs slaw, ground beef, beef sirloin steak, salmon sweet Thai chili sauce. Oh, this is cold. Okay, a cheddar cheese stick, a sour cream, and whoa, I didn't order anything with shrimp. They sent some large shrimp, some blue water large shrimp. Then there are 2 more ice packs. Okay, where are the instructions? Rosemary basted steak, Japanese barbecue salmon, and then the beef tacos. So that was so cool. That's so cool that they sent the shrimp. And then it says, let's make something good, Martha and Marley Spoon. So yeah, that's what we have. So like I said, I think we're going to do, I'm going to ask P if she wants to do the tacos tonight or nah. Okay, so in our box we have rosemary basted steak, Japanese barbecue salmon, beef tacos, and then they sent us some free shrimp. But anyway, do you want to do the beef tacos, the Japanese barbecue salmon, and the rosemary basted steak? So I don't know if y'all heard her, but she said surprise her. So I think because we haven't had tacos in a minute, we're gonna do the tacos. And today is Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. We're having Taco Tuesday. We're having Taco Tuesday. All right. So now that I've clowned enough, I'm going to go ahead and put everything away that we don't need, and everything that we do need, I'm going to put what we're not using in the refrigerator and all that good jazz, because I'm not about to cook right now. I'm going to cook after I finish doing some other things, because it's 4:09. I'll cook about 5 o'clock. So with that being said, that is it for this video. I do appreciate you for stopping by. Like I said, she did gift me a free box to another company. That box will be coming next week. I'll share that box with you. I don't know how much these boxes cost, like I said, because they were gifted to me, but all I had to do was pay shipping for this box. I can tell you that right now HelloFresh is still at the top of my list, so yeah, you'll be seeing more HelloFresh. All right, so thank you so much for coming to check out another video. I do appreciate you all so very much. Did I say comment, like, and subscribe? I don't even know. I got lost. Anyway, to the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? You on the flip side. Bye.